Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: active Absher credentials, a working camera, and the phone number registered with your account. Once ready, open the Absher app and sign in. Make sure multi-factor prompts are completed. Next, navigate to Individual Services, tap Profile, then Biometrics to begin the fingerprint update workflow. Follow on-screen prompts, accept permissions so the app can access the camera and sensors. Doing these steps first prevents interruptions during capture and speeds the process. Now proceed to the capture phase, where the app guides you through re-enrolling fingerprints. Select the finger or fingers you need to update, then position your finger on the camera or scanner as instructed. Keep your finger steady and follow prompts for slight angle adjustments to maximize ridge detail. If capture quality is low, clean the finger and try again. Once done, the system will show previews and request repeats until quality thresholds are met. This ensures reliable future authentication. Finish by reviewing the captured prints and tapping Confirm to save changes. Note any reference or confirmation ID shown. Once saved, log out and perform a biometric sign in test to verify the update works in real conditions. If the system rejects your print, retry the capture with cleaner, drier fingers and different angles. Make sure the app is up to date, reboot the device, or clear cache. If problems persist, schedule an in-person appointment at an Absher service center for assisted enrollment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.